Pia. I'm the head of product here at Aerobotics. So from a product side of things, we're always looking how to combine business goals, technical capabilities, and what our users, our clients actually need. So I'm together with the tech team every day seeing like what software we can build to improve our farmers' day-to-day life. I joined 2 months ago. The mornings always start with catching up on any unfinished items from the previous day, and stand-ups with all the different tech teams so we can just wrap up what happened the previous day, plan the day that's coming ahead, and make sure we're going to hit the goals we wanted to. And then it's actually spending quite a lot of time with all the different areas of the business to make sure we're building the right product. I would love to be an expert in marine biology. I'm very fascinated by the ocean and the fauna, the flora. It's really incredible, so I would love to know some more. Learning and getting the sense of achievement, not necessarily learning in the academic way, but making sure that everything that I do helps me learn so the next day I can do things differently or continue doing them well, and having a lot of self-reflection. Oranges, they're just the best. There's just so much meat and juice and sweet and sour, and they're perfect.